Buckle up, folks, because this news gonna be fast. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Google released Veo 3, the absolute best video model ever made. Here are some examples.
What's one move with AI that makes haters go crazy every time?
Oh, y'all gotta give them that. This is wild. It's over. We are cooked on that thread. You get me?
When we get in there, I want no bullshit. You stay on my 6 at all times.
Oh my god. Yes! Woo! Victory Royale with a pickaxe! Woo!
And they released a bunch of other stuff. Let's see. They also released Gemma 3N, a open source LLM model to run on mobile. They also released Imagen 4, a very realistic AI image generation model. Well, I think we can't be impressed by image generation models anymore. They also released Lyria, an music generation model. You can see some examples here if you want. Okay, if you want to see all the music, link in the description. I'm not going to waste your time here. And they also released Gemini Diffusion, the fastest language model yet. And Google also released a platform you can use Veo 3 or 2 or whatever else to create and edit videos. And they also released Jules, which is an coding agent that can work on your GitHub. It can propose changes, do pull requests, bug fixing, a lot of things. Okay, this is not funny, Google. They released another thing, Stitch. You can design UIs for your apps or web applications. It's free. You can use right now. Go and use it. Just getting out of the Google stuff for now. OpenAI introduced Codex, another coding platform you can work on your GitHub code base, doing bug fixing, proposing pull requests. Now into some open source news, of course. Honeyone Custom, a open source video generation model by Tencent that can do very realistic video editing. But you can start to cry now because, yeah, you're gonna need 60 gigabytes of VRAM to run this model. But that's why you have Vase 2.1 Vase. This one you can run on your consumer GPU. And it's very good. You can do motion control, you can do in-painting, you can do out-painting. ByteDance released Beagle. That's how they are calling, I guess. This open source unified multimodal model. This one you can chat and it can edit your images and understand them. You can do image recognition, you can do image generation. This is a photo of 3 antique glass magic potions with this text on it. So it can do text as well. You can do editing very well, actually. He squatted down and touched a dog's head. Changed to 3D animated style. This one is impressive. This one can do navigation. So you can input an image and tell to move forward or backwards. Let's see if I can see. Oh, look at this. It can move throughout the image. And that was the summary of some of the AI news this month. This was one of the most insane months for AI.